Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we're going to look at a pretty simple tool, but we're actually talking about something way bigger. How choosing the right partner for even the smallest component can make a huge difference to your operations right here in the kingdom. So, let's dive in.
So, take a look at this Linesman Plier. What do you see? Is it just a piece of hardware you throw in a toolbox? Or is it a critical link in the chain that keeps your entire facility running, your production line moving, and your projects on track? The difference? Well, it's everything. Let me show you what I mean.
All right, so we're starting with this really basic item because it illustrates a much bigger point that applies to pretty much every single component you procure. Let's take a quick look at the tool itself.
Okay, so what we have here is the Stanley 8-inch Linesman Plier. This thing is a real workhorse. It's built for the tough, demanding environments we all see every day across Saudi Arabia. From massive construction sites to busy industrial plants. Its job is simple, but it's absolutely essential. Gripping, cutting, and twisting.
So what makes this a professional-grade tool? Well, first off, it's made from high-quality alloy steel, so it's built to last. The handle is ergonomic, which gives you a safe, non-slip grip, and that's so important for both precision and safety. It also meets ANSI specifications, so you know you're getting a tool built to a global standard. And of course, being hand-powered means it's reliable absolutely anywhere, no power source needed.
So yeah, it's a great tool. We've established that. But the real conversation isn't about the tool itself. It's about what happens when you decide to rely on something less. Let's talk about the true cost of failure.
I want you to just imagine this for a second. You're on a critical job, maybe managing an offshore platform, overseeing maintenance at a hospital, or running a production line that can't stop. And then, a simple, non-genuine plier just snaps. What happens next? It's a total chain reaction, right? The tool fails. Immediately, critical work grinds to a halt. That stop triggers a project delay. And that delay, it doesn't just cost you time, it multiplies your costs through downtime, safety risks, and blown deadlines. All of a sudden, a tiny 35 rial problem can explode into a 35,000 rial headache, just like that.
So when that failure happens, who do you call? Waiting for an email response from a supplier thousands of miles away? Well, that's not a solution when your operations are on the line. And this, right here, is exactly where we come in. This is where we are different.
Tayyib, so let's be real. You can buy this part from anyone. The internet is flooded with suppliers. But the real advantage, the real value, isn't just in the product, it's in the partner you choose to work with.
Yeah, the Stanley Plier is available everywhere. We know that. But when you partner with us, with AskA Solution, you are not just buying a tool. You're buying a guarantee. You're buying a complete solution and the kind of peace of mind that only comes from having a local expert partner right here in Saudi Arabia.
Let's just break it down, side by side. With a generic online supplier, you're rolling the dice on quality, you're dealing with logistical delays, and your support is a world away. But with us, it's a totally different story. You get guaranteed genuine Stanley products, fast KSA-wide delivery to your site, doesn't matter if you're in Dammam, Riyadh, or Khafji, and most importantly, you get local engineering and support.
And look, our commitment to quality is proven. We are an Aramco-approved supplier, and we're ISO certified. These aren't just logos we put on a slide. They are your absolute guarantee that we meet the highest standards for quality and safety in the kingdom. We only supply genuine products, and our expert team is right here to make sure you get the exact right component for your specific application.
You see, we're not just some supplier that happens to be in Saudi Arabia. We are your partner in the kingdom, and we are deeply committed to the success of your operations.
Our partnership doesn't just end when the box arrives at your door. Not at all. It's a complete service cycle. It starts with that KSA-wide delivery, sure, but it goes way beyond that. We offer full turnkey services, where our own engineers will install and configure components for you. We provide lifetime local support, including preventative maintenance and expert repair services, to keep your operations running smoothly for years and years.
So when you look at that simple plier again, we hope you see it a little differently now. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment. An investment in total reliability for your entire operation.
This is really our core message to you. Don't just buy a tool, or a valve, or any other component. Instead, invest in a complete solution from an Aramco-approved partner who truly understands your challenges and is right here in the kingdom to support you.
So, choose genuine products. Choose to be backed by local Saudi engineering, installation, and maintenance expertise. Choose a partner who is dedicated to your success. Shukran.
We truly look forward to helping your operations succeed.
For any technical consultation, please don't hesitate to reach out. All our contact details are right there on your screen.